Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Today I will start with a new book. This is the elective English. This is book name is Woven Words. Okay. I hope you have purchased this book. So let's start with a chapter 2, A Pair of Mustaches by Mulk Raj Anand. Do you know what is a mustache? It is a facial hair which is grown by man. Okay. So different person keeps different kind of mustache. Have you seen? Have you seen your fathers, uncles? Okay. Have you seen in, if you haven't seen, you must have watched in TV, television. So this story is about mustache. How a mustache is defining class, okay? The way of style, individual style, okay? And the hierarchy of class, okay? The middle class, the poor class, the rich class, the elite class, okay? There are various kind of mustaches worn in my country to mark the boundaries between the various classes of people. So, mustachio is seen in the story by Mulk Raj Anand as a class, okay? Class, you know what is a class in society. Class is based on the status, okay? Status symbol, the money, okay? So this is characterizes in Mulk Raj Anand, people character is judged by their mustache, okay? Outside may think it is stupid to lay down or rather to raise line of demarcation. Demarcation means to create a boundary, okay? But we are notorious in a whole world for sticking to our queers of convention of pride and prejudice. Pride means honor, prejudice means misunderstanding. Notorious means something very evil, okay? Even as the Chinese or the Americans, or for that matter the English, and at any rate some people may think it is easier, more convenient to wear permanent boundary lines like mustaches, which only need a smear of grease to keep them bright and shiny. Means it's just need oil to keep it shiny, okay, healthy, that mustache. Rather than to wear frock coat, striped trousers or top hat which constantly need to be laundered and dry cleaned. So this small mustache just need a grease oil, okay, to clean. But what need constant cleaning and drying? That is a striped trousers, means pants, hats, coats, okay, and maintenance of which is already leading to bankruptcy of European ruling class. Have you seen the ruling class? Ruling class means working class, okay, of Europe, who works as under construction work, who works as a laborer, okay. Because Europe is a cold country, you have to wear coats, hats, okay, long trousers. Trousers means pants, to keep yourself warm. And the ruling working class as going bankrupt. Bankrupt means पॉपर पैसा ना होना, क्योंकि वो मेंटेन करते करते धोना फिर नया खरीदना, मेंटेन करते करते उन लोग पैसा बहुत कम हो रहा है, उन लोग का पैसा ही नहीं हो रहा है. सो with them clothes make them man. So as you know, in Europe also, European standard of class means what kind of, how you dress yourself, okay. In India, in the eyes of Mulk Raj Anand, it is mustache, how you keep your facial hair. That is the difference that makes class difference makes by mustache, okay, in India. So we prefer the various style of mustache to mark the difference between the class. And very unique and poetical symbol they are too. For instance, there is a famous lion mustache. Have you seen the lion mustache? That upwards, na, the mustache goes upward, okay, 2 points is there, na, that is called a lion mustache, okay. Fearsome, upstanding symbol of that great order of resplendent rajas, maharajas, nawab. So every time when you see a photo, you see that lion mustache. That mustache represent what? Pride, honor, class, valor, okay, upper class, rich people. So India has always been a hierarchy of mustache, or you can say the class difference by mustache, because that mustache was always been rajas, maharajas, nawab and English army general who were so well known for the devotion of king emperor. Then there is a tiger mustache, that uncanny several point mustache worn by unbending unchanging survival from the rank of feudal gentry who nothing left but pride in their greatness. Feudal gentry means after rajas, maharajas, after them below comes officers, okay, nobles, gentry, okay, commanders, general, lieutenant. So they kept a tiger mustache, okay. So next, now according to Mulk Raj Anand, what comes? Goat mustache. See how the pyramid hierarchy also can symbolize through pyramid, okay, at the top, then after that, after that, do you don't know how what kind of pyramid in shape? It is in triangle shape, okay. So first comes the lion mustache, सबसे above in the status of the society, then comes the tiger mustache, then comes now goat mustache, a rather unsure brand worn by the novia ricci, the new commercial bourgeois means rich classes, okay, rich people, and the shopkeeper class who somehow does not belong any different. Thin little line of mustache worn by its tip that can be turned up or down on occasional demand, on show off of power to some coolie or humility to prosperous client. So this goat mustache is kept by new bourgeois who are newly have become rich, okay, whether they are upper class shopkeepers, okay, like you can say in India there is a rich shops, gold shopkeeper owners, diamond shopkeeper owners, so they keep a thin goat mustache, okay. Occasionally their mustache can be downwards, okay, or upwards, okay. Upwards when it is with when they have to show the class, downwards when there is they have to show to the upper class, okay. There is Charlie Chaplin mustache worn by lower middle class, by clerk professional men. So Charlie Chaplin, have you seen Charlie Chaplin? Charlie Chaplin is a person who makes uh, comedy films, okay. That time there was no voice sound recording, so silent film he used to make without voice. So Charlie Chaplin also had a very deep making of the movie, okay. He always in his movie defined how European had a class struggle in their society, okay. Charlie Chaplin also played as a poor person, so his mustache was actually defining the class in his society, okay. So this actually is worn by middle class, like we people, we are the middle class people, okay. Like professional men, kind of half and half affair, deliberately designed as compromise between the traditional full mustache and the clean shaven Curzon cut sahib, like them to keep the mustache at all. There is a sheep mustache of the coolies and the lower order, in mouse mustache peasants and so on. So after goat comes the Charlie Chaplin, which middle class keeps it, okay. They are unsure of their own future, like that kind of. Then comes the coolie mustache, a sheep mustache, which is kept by coolies and lower class, okay, who are basically work as a laborer, okay. Then comes mouse mustache, that is kept by peasants. Peasants means farmers, okay. So still you see the hierarchy of the mustache: lion, then comes tiger, then comes goat, then comes this one, Charlie Chaplin, then comes sheep, then comes mouse. See, it is the mustache is, according to Mulk Raj Anand, is equals to, see the according to animal, the tiger is the king of the jungle. Likewise, the tiger represent the lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. The lion represent kings and the queens. Sorry, not the queens. kings and nawabs, the English king, okay, like that. They are also the king of our human society, na. So like that. Then come tiger. A tiger also represent the bourgeois classes, okay. The officers, lieutenant, gentry, okay, below, working below the king and queens. Then comes uh, then then comes who's goat. Goat is like the new rich people, okay, who have the shops, the where the rich people go, okay, shops, different kind of shops, businesses. Then comes Charlie Chaplin, like us, representing middle class, the struggling people who have to struggle, who keeps their moral intact. Okay, the middle class have their moral intact. They are very what we can say, bound with traditions, customs. Okay, like us, Charlie Chaplin mustache. Then comes the which? Then comes the sheep mustache, जो शीप की तरह हर दिन काम करते रहते हैं. सी हाउ इट इज़ रिलेटेड. शीप्स आर वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, फोकस्ड ना. दे आर एवरी डे टाइम ग्रेजिंग इन द फील्ड. ओके, फॉर अस देयर शीप का क्या होता है, वो यूज़ करते हैं ना हम लोग, वुल. तो लाइक दैट कूलीज ऑल्सो एवरी डे फोकस इन देयर वर्क. वो एवरी डे लेबर क्लास, दे आर वर्किंग एवरी डे. दे आर वर्किंग फॉर हुम? फॉर द रिच पीपल. दे कूलीज क्या करते हैं, सामान उठाते हैं ना. तो फॉर उसके बाद क्या आता है, माउस, सबसे छोटा एनिमल किंगडम में, एनिमल वर्ल्ड में. और ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में वो भी, पेजेंट्स भी सबसे वो है ना. कि कोई कभी सुना है कि हम बड़े होके मैं फार्मर बनूंगा? कभी कोई बोलता है कि नहीं बोलता है ना. तो वैसे ही हम इंडिया में क्या है, पेजेंट्स को गरीब माना जाता है. कितना लोन में डूबा होता है पेजेंट्स. सो लाइक दैट हायरार्की इज written by Mulk Rajanus. Till here this much, okay.